1-year-old immigrant girl has not received any recommended vaccine since birth. She attends daycare and remains healthy despite her daily association with several other children at a home daycare facility for the past 3 months. Which of the following phenomena explains why she has not contracted any vaccine-preventable diseases such as measles, diphtheria, or pertussis? Your options are option A, genetic drift, option B, genetic shift, option C, tolerance, option D, immune evasion, option E, herd immunity. Here, a 1-year-old immigrant girl who has not received any vaccination. She attends daycare and is associated with several other children at the daycare who are also attending but who are vaccinated. So, which of the following is preventing her from getting any vaccine associated, vaccine preventable diseases such as measles, diphtheria? So, it cannot be genetic drift because genetic drift is something that is to do with influenza viruses. Genetic shift, again, something to do with influenza viruses. Tolerance. Now, you could say tolerance, but tolerance is something to do with the immune system, not with her. Immune evasion. Immune evasion is also a far off concept. Herd immunity. Herd immunity is the true answer because when you are surrounded, that is what is happening in this pandemic, right? When you are surrounded with people who have already been, once either vaccinated or had the disease, then you are less likely to get the disease yourself because the chain is broken.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.